There you go. Hello everybody, welcome back to Indiana Tone Show. We have a new form of treasure hunting we're adding to our channel, magnifishing. I've always thought about doing it. I went out with friends before. Centurion Magnetics sent me a little kit to test out. It does spark curiosity. Weapons, relics, foreign coins, all types of stuff besides cleaning up the oceans, the lakes, the rivers, wherever. It's a lot of fun too. Get you outside. I found this bracelet in the parking lot today when I was getting a bagel. Let's see how it works. Whoa. See how strong that was? And this is costume. It's not even all metal. Just little pieces of metal in there. Wow. So I'm going to unhook this now. It's so much easier to prepare to do this. Just make sure you're wearing gloves. And make sure you don't pinch your hand putting this near anything metallic. This is my first time magnifishing. And I picked this spot because it's known for people dumping things over here. We have our friend Avery over here.
Hey there.
Oh shit. He said slide it off. Damn, this thing is strong. Let me get my gloves on.
Holy.
We can't get it off, huh?
Got a turn?
Here. Oh, I got it. All right. At least we know this thing's a beast. It's not going to just drop something. Drop it like it's hot. I tied a fugazi knot on you. I'm just going to go straight down. See what we got. First time. Wow, what is clean, surprisingly. Nothing. Just metallic rocks. We have people watching. We don't care. All right, the neighbors next door, real estate company, came by, started asking questions, so we packed it up. I wanted to hit this pier anyway. Check this out. Here we go. Nothing, huh? I get nervous every time I throw it like it's going to go in there. Oh, I got something. Some fishing. Just some fishing line. Black sand and a hook. Oh, it's getting it and it's dropping it. Oh, I almost had it. Look at all the stuff that was on it.
Is that a metal?
Yeah, look at that. Yeah, look at this. Look at all that. What is that? Look at this, a knife. Look at all the stuff I got. It's part of a knife, right? Part of something. I got hooks. Let's put it on the cutting board. Part of a knife. Got a hook. Another hook. Another hook. Another hook. Another hook. Another hook. I'm a real hooker. Well, somebody's metal detecting. Looks like he might have the Equinox. It's a nice beach right now. And I'm magnifishing. No metal detecting today. You get anything, Avery? Yeah, I got something there. Keeps falling off. Got another little blade. Yeah, what is that? Something's there. It's a blade. Something. Why is there a shell on here? Oh, it's stuck. It's a shell. Look, another blade. All this magnetic stuff. Is that a shell?
No. Oops.
Look at all this metal stuff we got. More hooks and stuff. Look at this. Got something big. I got something big. Got something big. What the hell is that? What the hell is that? What is that? Bro, is this a staple gun?
Looks like a staple gun.
With the battery. It's got barnacles on it. That's gross. Why would somebody throw that in the ocean? Well, we got the battery out. That's good. Dang. Some more stuff on there. Another blade. Another hook. A lot of blades today.
Yeah, stop it. Look at that son of a bitch. Holy cow.
Take a video photo of
the ugly box. Oh,
the ugly box.
I didn't even notice. Look at this.
Look at, what is that? A horseshoe for...
Yeah, I think it's probably one of the rings they used.
Oh, remember this. Whoa. It's a file. Dell. What'd you get? Wow. Damn. How's that? I got a knife.
Nice.
Yep. There you go. It's a shank. Is that old?
What was that used for?
No, cool. Rambo.
Got that today?
Yeah, well, so, yep.
There's something over here.
You do?
Feel it moving.
No, I got it. I got all the weight now. Holy crap, this is heavy. One?
No.
Come on, you bastard.
Let me get it. Let me get there. Let me get there.
Hurry up, pick it up, pick it up.
Stay there. Stay there. Stay there.
It's getting too heavy. I can't hold it.
That's it. It's an electrical box.
Sure it's not a register? This is like Staten Island Edison before Con Ed. Probably, watch. Is this like a drawer or is it just me? Like this goes on the wall and meter goes up here. It's like in a different language, I don't know.
Yeah.
I had a great time magnifishing. And what really excites me about this hobby, not only with treasure hunting, we're in New York City. It's like the center of the universe here. With all the shipping and history that we have in these waters, you know we're going to put out great stuff. Look at this. First time out, besides all those fishing lures and fishing hooks as you're going to get on a fishing pier, you're going to get weapons. Look, I have a World War II K-bar knife. That is just amazing. First time out. So I plan on going to all different parts of New York City to find more great stuff. If we get 1,000 likes, I'll do another magnifishing video very soon. Let me know in the comments if you want me to restore that K-bar knife. And I don't know if you know about the history of that K-bar. Pretty sure it's short for kill a bear knife because somebody who was hunting, gun jammed, pulled out a knife, and that's where it was founded. I'm pretty sure that's the history. There's a 4-part documentary out there. I'm going to do a deep dive and give you more of the history when we restore that knife. I have a link below, affiliate link from Centurion Magnets. So if you would like a kit, great prices, 10% off, make sure you use the code TONES. Now, let me tell you, if you're first starting out, just going out there one time, I learned a few things. You want to use waterproof gloves that are durable so you don't get poked from anything rusty or sharp. Very important. My gloves were getting wet through. Gets annoying after a while. You want waterproof and thick. Be very careful. Also, if you're with somebody else with a magnet, you want to stay away from them because it's extremely strong and you can wind up pinching yourself really hard or worse. You have to be really careful when you're around other magnets. We'll give you more tips as we go along. Enjoy, guys. Check out all of this stuff we cleaned out of the ocean and this epic K-bar knife, most likely from World War II. Make sure you give us a subscribe if you want to see us restore it and more treasure hunting.